Hi guys, welcome back my video channel Albedo Concrete aka Ben 10. It's cookie time. Today I want to make a cheeky popcorn. So today I want to take out it. So I get ready. So wait a minute. Oh sorry, I take the noodles. Maggi. So I want to cooking. So where's the fan? This one the fan one. So I open the stop gas. Okay, there, popcorn, cheeky popcorn. Yeah, I want to cook. Okay, wait now. There, just now I already wash the cheeky popcorn. So I want to drop inside there lah. So my noodles. Oh, sorry, I take my noodle put here first. It's too crowded here. So this one. See lah, I put it first. Wow, so scared lah. Okay, hurry up. I must close first before it's too late. Okay, there. Hey guys, so I just take time out to want to cooking. Yeah. so today I just want to this one. I want to make a noodle. So wait, I want to take it inside here. So I want to what? So I want to take my bowl here. Here. Take and what is it? Take fork and spoon inside. See first where is pork still cooking now. Okay, wait a minute. So I want to take out it first. So yeah. So this one is the curry noodle. Now I want to open it. Okay, this one that I put here. Okay, so okay, I throw it first, and then this one is they take time to want to cooking. So later I want to say to you lah. Now I want to take hot water. Guys, see the cheeky popcorn. Now I have almost finished to cooking. So there's a noodle here. So later I want to take a bowl. Which bowl I want to take? So I don't know which one bowl I want to take. So whatever. I want to stir it. See. Hey guys. So I just cooking. Look. You know. So when my hobby is very cooking there. Yeah. Oh. So whatever. I almost done. Finish. Yeah. Wow, I already done to cooking. See? My dinner set. Okay. So now I put a spoon here. Okay. So this is all my dinner lah. I want to take it. Okay. Hi guys. Okay guys. So this is all my cooking review lah. Okay lah. So if you like this video, you don't forget press the subscribe, press the bell button, and press the like button lah. Yeah. Okay lah. See you soon. Okay, take care. Goodbye.